Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 rear bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported on jack stands. Next, remove both rear wheels to access the fender liners. Carefully locate and remove all screws holding the fender liners. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors for components like tail lights or parking sensors. This prepares the bumper for further detachment. Now, focus on detaching the main bumper fasteners. You will find several screws within the wheel arch area that need removal. Then, open your trunk and lift the floor covering to access and remove the bolts securing the bumper from underneath. Be sure to also carefully remove any plastic clips or rivets holding the bumper in place. Double-check for any hidden fasteners. Before fully removing the bumper, it is crucial to disconnect all remaining electrical components. This includes the wiring harness for your parking sensors, often located on the inside of the bumper. Also, unplug the electrical connectors for the tail lights. Double-check that all wires and harnesses are completely free and clear to prevent any damage when the bumper is pulled away. With all fasteners and electrical connections detached, you can now gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It is highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to prevent dropping or damaging the bumper. Once removed, carefully place the bumper on a soft, protective surface to avoid scratches. Take a moment to inspect for any overlooked clips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.